A price hike is coming for the Ultra model of the iPhone 16 lineup, which is expected to cost $1,200 or more. As the internet is echoing with the impending, potential debut of the next iPhone series, the iPhone 16 series, hawk-eyed tipsters and industry insiders are reporting heavily regarding the remarkable iPhone series, iPhone 16 release date. That being said, one of the credible sources, quoted by Tom's Guide, claimed that the iPhone maker will not be considering any other release schedule to witness the groundbreaking release of the iPhone 16 series than its usual one. This indicates that the latest iPhone series will debut around the fourth quarter of the ongoing year September. Since the timeframe for the rollout of the iPhone 16 is crystal clear, iPhone freaks appear more prone to get to know about the budgetary toll iPhone 16 is going to take on their banks. How much iPhone 16 will cost? One of the substantial indicators for the iPhone 16 cost at hand is the wide range of upgrades Apple has in the cards, as it is expected to replace the Pro Max variant with the iPhone 16 Ultra, which will probably prove the largest and most potent of the entire lineup. Another cocksure finding of the tipsters is that the two-tier variant of the iPhone 16 series will offer Apple Intelligence as an integral suite of features on the device. With the A17 chip under the hood, these devices are said to bring Wi-Fi 7, which is capable of providing internet speeds of up to 30 gigabits GBs per second. With such significant upgrades, provided Apple is not altering much on the device, a price hike is definitely on the way, at least for the Ultra model of the iPhone 16 lineup, which is expected to cost $1,200 or more.